Okay, we're probably got a couple of minutes left. We're up to 231 counts a minute. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try something a little different I haven't tried before. When this ends, I'm going to put an envelope, a paper envelope, over the sample and try and get an idea of what kind of action we've got here. I guess in order to do that, I'm going to have to turn the camera off, reset the timer for counts per minute. But before that, I'm going to check the meter. Well, actually, no, we've got the counts per minute right here. Just to give an idea. I don't want to have to do another 10-minute test because there's not much left time on this chip. I'm just trying to get this in here. And we'll set it to CP counts per minute, and then if you listen to the clicks, you get an idea of what the action is. I want to just see with the clicks, and if we could run it for a minute, we get an idea of how much of this stuff is alpha. Should be getting to the end of the wire here, I hope. The other side was 378 counts. I could be off by a couple of minutes. Nope, that's it. Alright, 288.7 counts a minute.